this lecture, we'll discuss the examples of parts of speech and identify them in the sentences. Have a look at the sentences and identify the part of speech of the underlined words. Here, pause the video and write answers on the sentences and then play the video to see whether your answers are correct or not. Namitha not coming today. Here, Namitha is a noun. My mom will be leaving to Bangalore tomorrow. In this sentence, will be leaving is verb and tomorrow is adverb. The teacher asked the students to stand. Here, students is noun. He is my brother. In this sentence, my is pronoun. There is a cat under the table. Under is preposition. The clothes did not dry as it was raining all night. Here, as is conjunction. She and her sister dance well. And is conjunction here and well is adverb. I am wearing a green dress for the party. Here, green is adjective. Oh, that is really sad. Oh is interjection here. She is coming with me. In this sentence, with is preposition. Here are the answers. Let's see some multiple choice questions. Choose which part of speech the highlighted word is. Choose the right option for 10 mix and write it on your notebook and then see whether they are right or not. She was wearing really beautiful. Here underlined word is beautiful, which is adjective, and adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. This word is describing the earrings, so it's an adjective. Wow, you have got a great score. Here wow is an interjection and interjections show excitement or emotion and are not connected to the rest of the sentence. Wow is showing amazement or surprise at the score someone has got. The baby crawled under the bed. Here under is a preposition which shows the relationship between nouns or pronouns and other words or elements in the sentence. In this case it is the relationship between the baby and where it crawled to. She quickly packed her bag and left. Here quickly is noun adverb and adverbs modify verbs, nouns, and other adverbs. This is modifying the verb packed. This is at a pressing time to be living in London as people are arguing over the election. Here, depressing is an adjective and it is describing the noun time. Tack your first left then go over the bridge. Here, take is verb which show actions or states of being. There is no subject in this sentence as it is a command or instruction, so the first word is the verb. There is a party next week though I don't think I can go. Here, though is conjunction and it join two or more words, phrases, or clauses together. This subordinating conjunction is joining to clauses. He thinks we'll arrive at roughly 5 p.m. And here we is pronoun because it replace nouns. We is replacing the people the speaker is referring to. The music is very loud. Here music is noun and a noun specifies people, places, things, or ideas. This noun is a thing, music. He goes to Spain often not only for the sun but also for the food, where not only and but also are conjunctions and these are correlative conjunction.